But yeah, I think that's what I had to say about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. I think we're going to be wrapping up soon, but
I
something.
like this thing about like what can Haiti learn from their like where does this leave
Yeah.
Haitians now?
Yeah. Ooh,
Like where are we gonna go with
where
from
does
here?
I feel like I'm going to recap a lot of what we said. What can Haiti learn from the revolution today? Um, I think we were talking about this earlier, but I was saying that, um, you know, during this revolution, the courage that it took, the confidence and the bravery that you were
Bravery.
mentioning, that it took for um, enslaved people who probably didn't have much in them left to fight, have the courage, took the courage, whatever courage they had, um sacrificed um so much for this freedom that we have today. I think it's taking that spirit and taking that spirit and trying to create something more tangible, um tangible in a sense of like building our country back up, um tangible in the sense of, um continuing to fight the good fight,
Right.
and um taking that same spirit that we had once upon a time, taking that same courage that we had once upon a time, and making it something more tangible today.
100%. I feel like what we can learn from, not to rehash anything you said, I want to see if I can bring something different.
Yeah,
I don't
no,
want to
no
reheat your
worries.
nachos, as the kids say. But I think unity, a spirit of unity. We're in this together, that we have a greater aim and that we're stronger together. This idea too of self-belief that's already exists within you, what it takes to achieve your goals, not just your own personal goals, but as a country, it exists within us already, within
Mhm.
every Haitian in Haiti and in the diaspora. I think what we can learn as well from the revolution is I heard somebody say that hope is a discipline, that joy is a
Mm.
discipline, right? And I think
That's
like to
good.
kind of bring it back, girl, I didn't come up with that, but to bring to bring it back to what you said about imagining that different world, to kind of discipline ourselves in believing that better is possible for us, particularly for Haitians who are living in Haiti, who then that is our primary concern, that we have a home to go back to, and that we have a home that is hospitable for us. Also as well, I feel like it's really important for us as diaspora Haitians living outside of Haiti, particularly I wasn't born in Haiti.
Yeah.
My spirit is there though with you guys. My soul is there with y'all, but I wasn't born there.